Thank you for choosing a Drive to Vilbis ZooMe AutoFlex folding scooter. This video will provide an overview of how this fully electronic scooter can fold and unfold in 15 seconds or less. The ZooMe AutoFlex folding scooter comes equipped with a key fob that will automatically fold and unfold your scooter. The key fob has the letters A and B. When you press and hold the A on the key fob, the scooter will automatically open and unfold. B is for close. When you press and hold the B on the key fob, the scooter will automatically close and fold. In the event that the key fob battery dies, you can automatically fold and unfold the scooter by pressing the switch on the back of the scooter. Pressing and holding the 1 or 2 will automatically open or close the scooter. It's that easy to fold and unfold the ZooMe AutoFlex folding scooter. Thank you for choosing a Drive to Vilbis product. For more information, please visit drivemedical.com or contact a Drive to Vilbis representative at 1-800-694-5085.